got a bark to it. Nasty right here. Look at this thing. Man, 68 coupe, Chevelle. Actually, in my bag, 66. Clean GTO, you guys. Yeah, rare. You got just a right-hand driver. Sorry. Man, 175,000. We have a 1962 Mercedes 190 SL. Very collectible car. Beautiful car. 175 racks. So we have this convertible with a custom wide body kit, which is similar to the Eleanor kits, went for 135,000, you guys, 67. And it's about the business. It has upwards of 700 and some horsepower, 6-speed, clean. Take a peek inside for you guys real quick so you can see what it's working with. Signed by Carroll Shelby. Man, this is a monster. 135,000. So it's actually 780 horsepower. Monster. Got a Maybach. So for 133, it's a 2019 Maybach S650. Top of the line luxury right here. Bargain price. Why buy it new when you can get a good deal over here at Barrett Jackson? We got a Pantera right here, went for 215,000. 72, clean. Pantera's coming up on the collector market. Sorry, sir. 215 racks, you guys. Don't sleep on the Panteras. Hello, my name is Big Herc 916, and I'm here with the Wash Your Ass Committee, and I'm trying to make sure everybody in America has a clean booty hole, because I know a lot of people have funky booty holes. And today what I would like to offer you is Wash Your Ass soap. I have these cool soaps, different scents. I have oatmeal milk and honey. This one's butt naked scrub. I also have Jamaican Me Crazy, Festival. You can pick from a lot of my different scents and see which one you like, but my goal is to help people in America clean their booty holes, get the funk out, help themselves feel better about themselves, and wash your ass. Go to BigHerc916.com and pick you up a bar. Stop walking around with a crusty butt, smelly ball sack, and a funky hoo-ha. Big Herc said wash that ass. Pick you up a t-shirt at FreshOutSeries.com.